Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali and in this video I'll show you how to create a professional and good looking resume in Microsoft Word just in 5 minutes. We'll start with the blank Word page and set the size to A4. Go to Insert, Shapes and add a rectangle shape. Change its size to 7.84 by 30.17. Drag it to the left side and position it properly. Next, go to Shape Format, More Fill Colors and enter this custom color code. Perfect. Now add another rectangle shape. Set the size to 4.20 by 7.95. Go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Then go to Shape Fill, More Fill Colors and enter this color code. Next, go to Shapes again and choose this shape. Expand it and adjust it to fit the design. You can also right click and edit points as needed. Finally, go to Shape Format and change its color. Now go to Insert, Pictures and add your photo here. Right click the picture, go to Wrap Text and bring it to front. Adjust the size, go to Crop and choose the round crop. You can crop according to your picture size and adjust it by following this video. Now we'll add a text box and type contact. Change the font size to 18 and make it bold. Then in shape format, remove the fill and border. And set the font color to white. Now go to Insert, Icons, type phone and choose the icon. We'll bring it to front and change its color to white. Copy the text box by selecting it, holding Ctrl and dragging down to make another copy. Now enter phone number here. Now select both the phone icon and the text box. Hold Ctrl and drag it down to duplicate them. Select the phone icon, right click, go to change graphics and choose the email icon. This replaces the phone icon. Type your email address here. We'll do the same again to add address. Now copy the contact heading and replace it with skills. Now list all your skills here with bullet points. The third heading will be languages. Enter all the languages you speak. Okay, so we are done here with this section. Now copy the contact text box. Bring it here to the right. Change its color. Type your name and increase the font size to 26. Okay, so now under the name we'll add position title. Now add a summary heading here and enter your professional introduction. I already have it, so I'll simply paste it here. The next heading will be work experience. Simply copy the summary heading and replace it with work experience. Enter your work experience by following these format arrangements. Now add the last heading, which is education. Type your educational details such as degree name, university, and study period. Okay, perfect. Our professional resume is done. See how clean and professional the format looks. I hope you will find this video useful. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.